Up for sale, 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 96 Camaro Z28, finished in red with gray interior, T-tops, LT1 automatic. Nicely optioned for the year as well. Just under 69,000 original miles. You know, the paint's original, interior's original. Of course, go around it, put in anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So, of course, we'll start here in the front. I'm pretty sure this is actually a one-owner car as well. I do have the original manual for it and the original window sticker, which is actually super nice. I believe it was just under $25,000 new in 96. Like I said, original paint, so you are 96. It's almost 30 years old. 1 year younger than me. Oh, gosh. Couple little, stone chips on the hood here from, use and enjoyment over the years. Right behind where the license plate would go, there's some like little cracking, but you'd see, so the license plate would cover that up, no problem. But like zooming in here on the nose, outside of those areas, it actually looks very nice. The black in here for the age and for being original does look nice as well. But it's original metal, turnkey. The interior is freaking mint. And I'm sorry if I'm competing with the wind today. First day in the last few days without some rain, so I thought I'd knock this out while I have the chance, of course. There's your VIN, your T-tops. I might as well point out there is like a little streak on the windshield. I want to go ahead and pop the hood, and I do want to not dilly-dally in the video because it kind of looks like maybe something's coming. Of course, you pop the engine compartment and it looks very original to me. I like seeing the nice stickers in here. Again, 5.7 liter. Red looks clean. Again, I don't really know too much to say about it. Red looks clean. You got your hood insulation, the original paint underneath the hood. It looks to have a Flowmaster muffler on the back, so it sounds better than stock. You can see there, 68,967 miles. Oh, this is one of the things I wanted to say. This back bumper checked, I would have to say maybe they bumped it, and instead of it falling apart at this day and age, it just checked instead, so it's got that. But again, it's original paint. And I am going to get a quote from a body shop that I use of what they would charge somebody, just as an idea in case somebody was interested in that. Maybe my guy's cheaper than your guy. No cracks in the glass though. Pretty much how you would expect it to sound when it runs. And that's my coffee cup that is not included with the car. Come here, key. Why can't I get it out? Oh, there you go. Big fan of the wheels on the car. They look great. And again, like I said, anything I see, I'll point out to you. I do know there's a little crack here in the fiberglass. And I know way down here, there's like a little Dorito chip-sized piece that's missing. And a little dent in here. Maybe from like a jack stand over the almost 30 years doing some work. Oh, excuse me. The door, this lights up nice. Door to the rocker lines up nice, as you see there. See a couple little like stone chips here, but very clean again. We keep moving down. Here you see a little bit of curb rash getting in and out. A couple little marks. Tires are 3 years old, which is nice. And you see how nice the paint is here. Well, let's go and we'll really show you an idea of the interior again. First to start, love seeing original stickers. I love seeing the original paint, excuse me, and how clean it is. All in here and whatnot. Door panel, really nice. Power windows both work. Looks nice in here, clean in there. Weather stripping looks really nice. Back out. No rips on any of the seats. It's got all seat belts. The console's nice. The dash is nice. Your steering wheel. You know, there's no dryness, no cracking in the leather, no cracking in the dash pad, no cracking here. I'll show you the window sticker. There's the manual. I took a picture of that, but here's the window sticker. You can read what kind of options it has now. Bright red is the color. Standard options. Okay, well, Z28, of course. T-tops. Automatic trans with overdrive was an option. 16-inch chrome aluminum wheels were an option. 6-way driver power seat was an option. Performance axle was an option. The tires were an option. Rear defogger was an option. Body side molding, so that red vinyl that runs down the side. Removable roof panel sunshades. That's what those things are in the trunk. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll show you what I what I was looking at and I couldn't figure it out. Color keyed rear carpeted. Carpeted floor mats. Cool. It still has the catalytic converters in, so it's just the new back half exhaust where the muffler is that comes out with the tailpipes. Again, there's your VIN. There's your dealer number. Does it say where? No. Oh, Dan Vadden Chevrolet Oldsmobile Inc. In Georgia. So it's probably not a 2-owner car then. Or 1-owner car, because it was local when I got it. But again, when I punch it in online, we'll figure that out, and it'll be there. Power trunk. Ow. Yeah, it's clean. I mean, when I look at this kind of stuff on these years, I look for little cracks in this kind of stuff. Little cracks in here, because a lot of this stuff is flimsy and cheaply made. Just like my 2010 Challenger, little things would just happen. It just, not from use, just age of components as well. With something like this, you'd find. I know it. The same thing with a WS6 Trans Am. Actually, a little piece of plastic. I could be wrong, but it's somewhere in there that would always crack, or very commonly crack. But everything seems to look pretty nice and well maintained in here. Show you like the door panel there with the speakers, the back seats. Headliner, visors, all super nice. Your pillars are great. I mean, really nice interior. Okay, so moving on here. Condition of the rims are super nice. I noticed a couple marks on the one, but this one's really nice. And again here, this is what I'm talking about. Again, metal, plastic, it's gonna age a little differently. And then with the checking, I guess it's gonna happen if you bump it back in the day, I guess. But it's not down here. I mean, down here, this is super nice. So again, I don't know. Like I said, I will try and get a quote, and he does fantastic work as well, so there's no worries there. Little touch up there. But all this looks nice. Oh, that's the wrong key. And like the shocks, I guess, still hold it up, which is nice. You know, sometimes they deteriorate. But this is all clean in here. I mean, look how nice the weather stripping is. Look how nice like the plastic is. Carpet, seat back. And these are these removable roof things that I was talking about that I couldn't figure out where they went, so I thought maybe they went here. And I actually kind of like it there. But then you got a jack down there. What other stuff do you got? Jack, and that's basically a couple little tools. That light works still. You know, it's clean in here. I feel like this would be a place where you'd find rust, and of course there is none. This side looks really nice here, but I see a couple little marks here that have been touched up. Couple little stone chips on this lip. Another nice wheel. Clean in there. Like I said, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 96 Camaro Z28, finished in red, gray interior, 68,000. About 976, just under 69,000 miles. Still got the GM floor mats front and back. Windows sticker. There are like a couple little stone chips down here, stuff like that. I feel like that's expected. Oh, I'm zoomed out. So, thank you for watching. We are going to fire it up just in a few moments here. And then we'll get in and drive it. Thank you.
this car.
It looked like it had like I wanted to take off.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's so tight and responsive. Not a squeak, not a rattle, not a noise. The braking, the acceleration. Has it been upgraded?
I don't think so.
No.
No. I'm pretty sure they were fast cars to begin with. It's got an LT1 in it. Yeah. Oh, and T-tops were an option. I figured they were, but
You feel the steering?
it's nice.
Oh, yeah.
I know. Maybe this is what I should drive. This is what I should drive while I wait for my truck. Yeah.
Yeah, why don't we leave it out?
It's an idea.
Yes. Definitely, Andrew.
Yeah. I mean, I do like driving. Give me a couple more days with the Buick. And then I can...
Well, I would not... I'll have to put it on the wall.
Yeah.
You're right, this is the one.
This is a lot of car for the money when you think about it. When they're nice. When they're nice. Nice examples. Nice, clean. Wow. 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 That was nice. Or maybe I should drive the limo.
Leave it out here?